They don't come as black as your eyeballs.
Dan, did you eat already?
Yeah. You have anything to tell us about that?
That's really cute.
Anything to say about not eating yet? Have you eaten yet? Ethan's eating. Kinsley's eating. Emma's not only eating but getting her nose wiped. Evan is eating. And Grandpa's eating, sort of. And Heather is preparing to eat. Her mama. And Aunt Candace is moving around taking pictures, as always.
Yeah.
Thank you, Uncle Sam.
Thank what? Thank you, Uncle Sam. And Uncle Dan, you have to look at yourself and you have to say,